chocolate chip cookies. Let's get started.
We are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
For this recipe, we need these ingredients. We have chocolate chip, brown sugar, unsalted butter, salt, baking soda, vanilla essence, white sugar, egg, flour.
First, we are going to mix flour, baking soda, and salt.
Flour. Ooh, perfect smell.
Baking soda.
Salt. The second thing we are going to add is brown sugar, white sugar, unsalted butter. We're gonna mix this for 2 minutes. Oh my gosh, it looks like me. Egg, molasses. Then again we're gonna mix more. Two eyes. Wait. We're gonna add flour 2 spoons at a time. 1.
Looks like ice.
Step. In this step, we are going to add chocolate chips and then mix it well. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ready to go in the oven. It's on bake, everybody. Cookies. They're in the oven. The cookies are ready.